Njani, we are given a question which says sin 4x minus 2x divided by cos 4x minus 2 minus cos 2x, which is equals to tan x. So first question, we are requested to prove the identity. So now what we're gonna do, we have 4, we have 2 here. This is a double angle. We have 4, we have 2, which is the double angle here, of course. So now let's make these things to be, let's make sine 4x to be a double angle. So we're gonna have what? We're gonna have sine 2 into 2x. So that everything on top, it becomes double angle of sine, minus sine 2x. So now we're going to divide. Again, now we're proving this side is equal to that side, which means this side is our left hand side. So now we're going to have what here? We're going to have cos 2 into 2x minus cos 2x. So now what we're going to have 2 sine 2x multiplied by cos 2x, because our double angle is going to be 2 here and our angle here is 2x. So we're going to have our double angle for sine. So this is the double angle. So now we're going to subtract sine 2x. So because this and this and this are the same, so there is no need for us to change this one to become a double angle of sine, because it's going to become xx. So now we want to make sure we have these 2x here so that we can be able to take out your common factor. So now we're going to divide everything by a double angle of cos. So now we know our tan, it comes from what? It comes from sine over cos. So we have to make everything at the denominator to become cos. So which double angle that would include cos? It's these ones which say 2 cos squared 2x minus 1. And then minus cos 2x. So now we're gonna have what? We're gonna take out our common factor, right? Which is sine 2x. And then we're left with what? We're left with cos 2x minus 1. So all divide by. So now we're gonna, if we arrange this, we're gonna have something like this: 2 cos squared x minus cos is 2x here, 2x minus 1. So if we have this, we can factorize this. So what is the factors of this? We're gonna have what? We're gonna have 2 cos 2x minus 1 multiplied by cos 2x plus 1. So now how do you get these factors? This and this is going to give us what? 2 cos squared x, 2x. So now this one and this one is going to give us negative 1. So if you add 2 cos 2x, you add it with if you add negative 2 cos x and you add it with cos x, is going to give us what? It's going to give you negative cos 2x. So now this one, they are the same. What do? You're gonna mobilize them. What balances as well? This one, you're gonna left with what? You're gonna be left with sine 2x divided by cos 2x plus 1. So now let's continue this side. So we're gonna have what? So you're gonna have your 2 sine x cos x. This is the double angle of sine. So now the double angle of cos, what is it? It's gonna say what? It's gonna say 2 cos x minus 1 plus 1. So now you can see you're going to have what? 2 sine x cos x all divided by. So now you're going to have 1 minus 1 is going to be 0, right? So we're going to left with 2 cos x. Again, we're going to have 2 cos squared. It's going to be squared here. I'm sorry. So it's going to be 2 cos squared x. So now, what do you have? So you're going to have, this cos is going to divide 1 cos here. So you're going to have what? You're going to have 2. You're going to be left with sine. 2 sine x divided by 2 cos x. These two are going to divide each other. You're going to be left with what? With sine x divided by cos x, which is equivalent to tan x. So that's how you solve your question. So the following question, it says what? For which values of x will the identity be undefined? So now I'm going to erase here. So in this question, what are we going to do? So we know if we have to find the values of x where this identity be undefined, we're going to focus on our denominator. It means our denominator must be 0. So we're going to say cos 4x minus cos 2x is equals to 0. This is what we're going to do. So now we're going to transpose. We're going to have cos 4x is equals to cos 2x. So what do you do? Cos. So it means we're going to equate the angles. We're going to have 4x is equals to 2x plus what? Plus 360k is the period of what? Of cos. So we're going to take this 2x outside. We're going to have 2x. We're going to subtract and we're left with 2x is equals to 360k. We divide everything by 2. We're going to have x is equals to 180k. So your x, therefore x is going to be 0. It means if your x is 0 here, everything here is going to be undefined. Or again, we know our general solution for tan is going to be plus or minus again. So now we're going to have what? We're going to have 4x is equals to minus 2x plus 360k. So now we're going to have what? We're going to come this side. We're going to have 6x is equals to what? 360k. So you divide here by 6. You're going to divide here by 6. Now you're going to have your x. Is equals to 360 divided by 6, which is going to be 60k. So therefore, your x can be 60 degrees. If you have 60 degrees here, it's going to give you undefined. So now we're going to have what? Also, cos what? Cos x is equals to 0. So your x is going to be cos inverse, which is going to be what? It's going to be 90 plus 360k. So here also you're going to have what? Cos is positive in which quadrant? It's going to be positive in fourth quadrant, which means your x is going to be what? Your x is going to be 360 minus 90, which is going to give you 270 degrees. So therefore, your solution is going to be what? It's going to be 60, 0, 90, and what? 270 degrees. So this is your final answer.